why Sally Beauty is so unique and so special. It really is the leading destination for all things hair color, hair care, and nails, but specifically hair color right now. So many DIY enthusiasts are coming in store because everything you need is right here. I think during this pandemic, people really were bold and willing to try something different, which is so exciting because in the world of hair color, I mean, this is really a form of self-expression and I think self-care and love. So, without access to our pros in the salon and with access to salon quality professional tools at Sally Beauty, it really allows you to unleash your potential at home and play in hair color, which is really thrilling. What's exciting for spring right now, there are two really big trends. One's called a split tone, where truly the hair color is split and you're playing in a family of colors. So select your favorite tone. Maybe it's a tone of blue, right? And you're doing a deep, bold ocean blue on the left side. And maybe on the opposite side, you're doing this rich aqua or teal. What's really incredible are they're vibrant and they're bold. And there's such an expression of self-individuality and really fun. One of my favorite collections to achieve that result with is the Ion Color Brilliance collection. They're highly pigmented and loaded with shine. I think you're gonna be amazed there. Another trend that I'm loving for spring is this bold money piece. It's really reminiscent of the 90s, which I'm excited about. And it's a perfect trend for those of you that might be a little more timid to try bold hair color and just get your toes in the water. So the Color Luxe collection might be the collection for you. And what I love about this cleansing conditioner is it has a little bit of pigment. So maybe you're thinking a blush or a sangria, just highlighting and kissing your face, framing it beautifully. The cool thing is it lasts for 6 to 8 washes. So there's no commitment with that collection. And maybe you've also discovered through our Color View technology, as you were swiping, trying on shades, you might have thought, you know what? I never thought of going green or yellow. The Ero collection, another collection exclusively at Sally Beauty, is a perfect palette to play with because the pigments are so bold and so rich. And keep in mind, they're also intermixable. So we have DIY University by Sally Beauty. And what this incredible live free online hair education is it's full of experts and pros like myself and our Sally Crew teammates, where we deliver all of our techniques, tips, tricks, even our setups on how to create your perfect at-home hair color, because we want you to feel empowered and inspired to create and play and have fun with hair color. One of my other favorite features at sallybeauty.com and on the app is our incredible Color View technology. This is a technology developed and designed for you to try on hair color. I'm so excited for what's happening in spring and summer because beauty is so fun right now. It's so expressive and it's so accessible to you. So play, have fun, experiment, and remember that everything you need is right here at Sally Beauty.